Hey guys, here's a quick run video of my Hoover Elite. As you can see, it's the hard bag model. So, they really did not give this any other name other than a Hoover Elite. So, let's go ahead, power it on, and give you a quick run of it. So, that was just a quick run video of it. This is one I got from the vacuum shop before it closed. So I just, I got it all fixed up finally. And got it up and running. So, I can't remember entirely what all I did to this. I know it was a new belt and brush roll. Well, used brush roll, but brand new belt and bag. And a quick clean to it. That's about all I did to it. Actually, I think I replaced the base to this one, too, because it was melted. So, melted around the brush roll area. So, yeah, guys. Again, thank you for all the well wishes for a speedy recovery from getting that tooth removed. I'm feeling 100% better today. So, I truly appreciate it all. Thank you, and thanks for watching.